Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ziggurat STV90 Space-Saving Dryer Vent. The STV Dryer Connector by Ziggurat, a premium solution for connecting your dryer without compromising safety. Our connectors are crafted with fire-resistant materials to eliminate any risk of fire hazards, providing peace of mind for you and your home. No need for clamps, our products offer simplicity and durability in one package. The easy-to-install kit features the patented snap-to-vent connection, allowing for hassle-free assembly without the need for hose clamps. The compact STV90 ensures a secure fit against the wall without crushing hoses, thanks to its flexible seal ring that adapts to either the dryer or wall vent. Designed for 4-inch duct connections, our STV90 promises long-lasting performance with its strong yet flexible construction. Say goodbye to worries about crushed hoses or damaged connections. Ziggurat's dryer hose connector kit is built to last and easy to maintain for years of reliable use. Our second best dryer vent is FunMOS 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent. The unique vertical design of the air outlet in this dryer prevents large amounts of lint, dust, pet hair, and debris from entering the air duct, which could potentially clog or damage the dryer. The warm air released by the dryer is circulated back into the room, helping to save energy during winter. The FunMOS Indoor Dryer Vent features a versatile 3-in-1 design with a high-quality stainless steel filter screen, a polyester filter, and a water drawer system, allowing you to customize your filtration needs. The stainless steel screen and water drawer effectively capture large particles, while the polyester filter traps even the finest dust particles for a healthier indoor environment. To clean, simply press gently to open the door and remove lint from the filter. Any collected debris will fall into the water drawer for easy disposal or can be washed with water if needed. The stainless steel screen is durable and never needs replacing. For maintenance of the polyester filter, it is recommended to remove it from the unit and vacuum it using a hose attachment or hand vacuum. Washing with water is not advised. Additionally, our dryer vent includes 4 extra polyester filters for convenient replacement when needed. Third choice in our list is Deflecto Dryer Vent. The innovative dual-door design for energy efficiency ensures that drafts are kept out of your home through the dryer vent cover. The no-pest vent cover features a magnetic door retention system to prevent flapping in windy conditions, while also sealing tightly to block out insects and rodents. This unique design creates a self-cleaning vortex around the vent cover, preventing lint buildup and maximizing exhaust airflow for faster drying times. Made in Zeeland, Michigan, this vent cover was born out of a need to keep birds out of vents, using American plastic resin for durability and UV resistance. The original no-pest vent covers installed 15 years ago are still going strong on the same apartments where they were first put in place. Number 4 in our side is Calimero 4-inch dryer vent. Dryer vents can sometimes be poorly constructed or designed in a way that allows insects and even rodents to enter your home. Calimero offers an effective solution with their stylish, practical, and long-lasting dryer vent cover. Made of durable stainless steel, this cover is more resilient than its plastic counterparts and won't crack from exposure to UV rays. Its innovative flap design opens when the dryer is in use, allowing air to flow through, and closes when not in operation to keep bugs and animals out. Just remember to clean the louvers regularly to prevent lint buildup. With a stainless steel gasket, it provides a secure and weatherproof connection to your home. Available in 3 sizes for 4, 5, and 6-inch hoses, this vent cover is a reliable choice for keeping your home safe. Last in our top 5 best dryer vent list is Whirlpool 4396037RP Dryers Vent Dryer. This 2-piece model provides adjustable spacing between the 2 outputs, ranging from 0 to 18 inches center to center. It is designed for use with 4-inch dryer tubes and comes with 2 clamps for a secure connection. Whirlpool genuine OEM accessories are engineered to meet high standards and ensure the quality of your appliance. When limited space prevents the use of a 4-inch dryer tube, this Whirlpool periscope vent offers a practical solution. The narrow duct connects the dryer to the vent, requiring just 2.5 inches of clearance, making it an ideal space-saving option. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.